Okay, so if you wanted to get sound effects for your video, there's two ways I know how to do it. The first one, you go to soundcloud.com, and on this one, you can search music, sound effects. There, you might not find what you're looking for, but that's why I'll show you the other thing that you can do. But the other thing's a little more complicated. But yeah, you can find something you like and then click on it. Um, let's say I picked this one. I'm going to copy the link and then I'm going to go to SoundCloud downloader. There's a bunch of these. This is just the one that I picked, and then paste the link, download. So it'll download it for you. It'll come up right down here, like on your download bar. And then it'll automatically download into your iTunes. And then when you go into iMovie, all you have to do is click on audio and it'll be right there. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is so if you go on YouTube and you look up what sound effects you want, you can find something that you like. And let's say I want, like, I don't know, this one.
Live TV from 85 plus channels.
Click on it.
Sports and news. YouTube TV. Try it free. More than 20 million people use Grammarly every day to improve their writing.
I can click on it and, like, let's say there's a certain place that the sound that I want. What I'll do is, if you have Google Chrome, you can download this extension. It's called Screencastify. So it records your screen. You click on browser tab, record it. So you want to be quiet for it and let it play, and then it'll pop up and it'll automatically come up with the video that you just did. So you can edit it, or you can download it. And then you can export the audio only. So it'll export the audio, and then click download MP3, and then it'll download for you. And then that's the sound that I just downloaded. And then it's the same thing. You can go back and hold on. I'll go to media and then audio, and there it is. It just come up just now. So those are just two ways you can do it.